This here is Falcon, Wuxi Sunac Land, the largest of the B&M wing coasters. Sitting here in the back row, I've already tried it up front. Let's see how it is here. Really enjoyed this ride. Yeah, I love how this one interacts with the mountain, as you can see back there. And yeah, it's really cool. Great layout, great speed, good elements. I think you like it too. I like to see that tea kettle building from up here.
Oh yeah.
Such a good flow. Over the mountain. Love that part through the mountain. Best inversion in the ride. Nice slow hit. And that's Falcon. Sometimes bigger isn't always better, but might be the case here. This probably is the best of the B&M wing coasters. Great elements, great location. And it's nice and smooth too.
Yeah, that wasn't bad. I get nauseous easily, but that wasn't bad.
Well, sometimes on these ones the outside seats can bounce quite a bit, but it was fine here.
Yeah.
So you'll do Dino Conda later, right?
But I don't know what that is.
It's like X2.
No. Nope. Anything remotely like X2 I will not do again.
This says wing seats like X2. Do the same unbuckle.